Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D carving using a CNC wood machine with ArtCAM 2018. If you're just starting with CNC or want to learn how to prepare a perfect 3D toolpath, this tutorial will help you step by step. I'll show you how to import your 3D model, choose the correct 3D machining strategy, set up the tool parameters, and select the right bit for the job. For 3D engraving, I'm using a cone-shaped bit, and it's very important to enter its details, such as shaft diameter, height, and angle, exactly as shown on the bit body inside ArtCAM. I'll also show you the final cutting process, so you can see the result on the machine. Watch carefully and follow along. You'll get a clear understanding of how 3D carving works from start to finish. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support the channel. Let's get started.